Hi guys, Ian here. In this video, we are going to discuss the types of data in Python. There are numerous data types in Python depending upon the type of data that you want to store and the number of elements that you want to store. There are 5 fundamental data types in Python such as string, int, float, boolean, and complex. However, all these data types store only one value at a time. We have some other data types in Python known as collection data types such as list, tuple, set, dictionary. All these data types can store multiple elements or values at once, and that too of different types. Apart from these data types, there are other data types such as bytes, or you could say frozen set, range, bytes, bytecode, none. Over the next few videos, we are going to discuss all these data types in detail, so stay tuned. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. So I'll see you in the next one.